Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I have a problem and I need your help. Stick around. Well, hey, welcome back, happy campers. That's right, I have a problem and I'm gonna ask for your help because we have tried just about everything to find a solution to this problem. And we're going to try another solution today, and we're going to see if it works. And if it doesn't work, well, then it's back to the drawing board. But once you see what this problem is, I'm sure you have a solution because you guys are just terrific campers. And I know that you've been doing it more than I have. So maybe you can help. All right, so let's get to it. What is this problem? It's this cabinet right above me. Let's take a look. All right, well, to the unsuspecting eye, it's a cabinet much like any other cabinet. But what happens every time we drive this trailer down the road is that all the cups and everything shift and fall. Now we've tried putting the mats down. We've tried putting the stay bars in there. We've tried all kinds of stuff. And today's solution is this. Today's solution are these bins from Ikea. And they got some cool name like, you know, the Farfignugan bins or something like that. The Horskadikadoo bins. And when we bought them, we thought, well, they're right about the right size to fit in the bin. And we could put the cups in there. But I just don't know. So let's try it. So I think in order to make this work, we're going to go ahead and put a little towel down inside. And I think I have some of that shelf grip cloth left. Maybe that'll work better. So we're going to put that down. And then we'll see if we can get these cups to stay. I'm gonna have to test it. Well, these are the cups that we use the most. So we probably want to put those up front. And then our nice wine glasses can go back here. All right, so the coffee cups are heavy enough, they never move. So now we've got the cups, the wine cups in the bin. They're not going to fly. If anything, this is going to slide, but we do have a bar retainer right there. And then we use the other bin to clean up some of the things that were back in here. We got a blender and that. The one cast iron that we use a lot, and the waffle maker. All the other heavy stuff went below. All right, well, that's today's solution. And we'll be going out here in the next couple weeks or so. So we'll see if that works. But in the meantime, go ahead and drop in the comment section below what your solution for keeping your cups from flying all over the place are. And if you've got a really great solution, we'd love to hear it. Hey, we really appreciate you all coming with us. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure that you share it with a friend and hit that subscribe button and the little bell. That'll let you know when we put a new video out. Hey, we really appreciate you. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you later, happy campers.